This video is sponsored by Mifo AliExpress. What's up, fam? This is your boy El Jefe, and I am here to bring you my first listen of the Mifo 07 True Wireless Earbuds. Now, if you're looking to check these out for yourself, I'll be leaving links to these in the description box right down below, so make sure you check those out if you're interested. Price on these right now should be right around 169 bucks, but prices do vary, so make sure you hit the links so you can get the latest updated pricing. Now, before we go any further, and for full disclosure, Mifo is sponsoring this video and sponsoring my very first listen of the Mifo 07 True Wireless Earbuds. So this is not a review. I am basically just showcasing the product and bringing you the latest from Mifo on this channel. So with that said, let's jump right into it. Okay, so let's start off with some of the basics. So first up in the box, which is actually a pretty nice unboxing experience. I don't do unboxings here on this channel, but as far as packaging and presentation go, Mifo, very nice. So in the box, you're gonna get a USB Type-C charging cable. They're also gonna give you a bunch of assorted different tips so you can find the right one for your ears. And it's important, I try to say this as much as I can and as often as possible, make sure you take 5 minutes, try out the different ear tip sizes, and make sure you're getting a proper seal, and this way you get the best listening experience. But I digress. They also include an instruction manual and the usual books and stuff that you get with any type of Bluetooth product or headphone. So next, let's get into some of the specs of these earbuds. So they are featuring one of the latest Qualcomm chips, the QCC3020, that has a lot of good features. First of all, you get Bluetooth 5, so you're getting very strong and reliable connection. Not to mention you get good distance out of it. You know, usually anywhere from 40 to around 60 feet, which is pretty good if you ask me. And then as far as the codecs go, you're also going to get aptX and AAC. So it doesn't matter whether you have an Android device or an iOS device, you're going to get the latest, strongest connection, the best sound quality, and little to no latency when you're watching videos. And another feature of this chipset is the fact that you also have a dual connect type of feature where you can run these earbuds independently. So while one is charging, you can use one and you can switch them out as needed. So that's a great feature to have on any set of True Wireless earbuds. Now, these also feature full touch controls, so you do get volume control, skip track, play pause, answer phone calls, and access to your smart assistant of choice. And then also the battery life on these. So Mifo is claiming 7 hours worth of playback time with an additional 4 full charges in the case. So battery life is pretty legit. Not only that, these also charge via USB Type-C, so recharging happens fairly quickly. And another important feature that I feel I should definitely point out is the fact that these feature a full IPX7 rating. So whether you're one of those people that walks around in the rain a lot, or if you want to wear these while you're in the shower, I don't judge people. And also people who like to get into water balloon fights and things like that, they're going to have you covered. You're not going to have to worry about them getting messed up. You can definitely get them soaked. It's not going to be an issue. And then as far as sound and what they're bringing to the table. So these are actually bringing you dual balanced armatures. So with balanced armatures, you're going to get a much more clean and much more balanced type of sound. Usually you get some very decent and accurate bass. So you're not going to have this super deep low rumble that you get with like dynamic drivers and things like that. You're not going to get a lot of that sub bass, but usually you're going to get a much more accurate type of sound that is more pleasing to the ear, especially if you like to listen to music with more instruments or just, you know, more vocals. You want that to be a little more present. You know, you're not a super bass head or bass junkie, then these are probably going to be a better choice for you. So with all of that said and all of that out of the way, let me give these a quick listen with a couple of tracks, and I'll kind of give you just my initial impressions. All right, so now that that's out of the way, let's go ahead and get into my first listening experience with the Mifo 07s. I do dig this little case. It's pretty dope. It's like a little jewelry box. All right, let's get these in. All right, nice and snug, good seal. As you can see, they're actually very discreet. So let's see what we got. All right, so first track out of the gate, my go-to as far as testing the very initial song is going to be Corazón Espinado by Carlos Santana. All right, so Carlos's guitar is sounding awesome with these Mifo 07s. Let's switch up a little bit. Let's get into something with a little more bass, get away from the instruments for just a sec here. So we're gonna do Pray For Me, The Weeknd featuring Kendrick Lamar. Okay. So if you're interested in checking out any of these tracks, make sure you hit the link in the description box and right down below. I'll leave a link to my full Tidal playlist. So make sure you check that out if you want to hear the songs that I like to test with. So let's switch it up one more time. So we already did a little Carlos Santana. That was The Weeknd featuring Kendrick Lamar to bring a little more bass. And let's see, let's test out that mid-range. Let's go with Frank Sinatra, Fly Me to the Moon. A little Sinatra there. Smooth. Man, so every time I hear that song, it makes me feel like I'm standing in front of the fountains at the Bellagio in Las Vegas, I swear. So, all right. So there you have, that's my very first listen on a few different tracks with the Mifo 07s. So what do I think? Actually surprisingly good. It's a very smooth type of sound. So like I said before, dual balanced armatures. So you're not going to get that super low bass rumble, like super deep, like sub bass. You're not getting any of that, but you do get some nice hit, some nice thump, but there isn't a lot of that super low end. Where these really shine though is more in that mid range and in the treble and some decent soundstage. So these aren't like the brightest True Wireless earbuds. Like you don't have a super crazy amount of detail in them, but it is very good considering. But the mid-range I think is really where these shine. Very smooth, and the vocals sound really good. You know, they're very present, and it's not like a subdued or a neutral mid-range. It is forward and it sounds really nice. So that's like my initial impression of the sound quality in my first listen of the Mifo 07s. Now, if you have any questions or concerns about the Mifo 07, go ahead and leave those down in the comment section and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you're interested in checking these out for yourself, I'm going to leave links to the Mifo AliExpress store right down in the description box down below, so make sure you check that out so you can get the latest updated pricing. So if you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you didn't like this video, go ahead and hit the dislike button. There's always one or two of you out there. I don't want you feeling left out. And if you haven't done so already, consider joining the fam. Hit that subscribe button along with that small notification bell. This way you never miss any of my weekly videos. So with all that said, I am super grateful for you hanging with me through this sponsored video. I hope I brought you some good value today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have an awesome week, and I'll see you in the next video.